this is going to be a real quick one, a short one. I know you guys have, some of you might have some of these caps lying around. This particular one is a Sony mirrorless DSLR sensor cover. Okay, so if you don't have a lens on your camera, you actually put this on so that dust and dirt will not go onto the sensor. This is just a lens cover, the back end. So the side of the lens that goes onto your camera. Okay, let me just use what I have. I have a Sony a6600. So all lenses that are compatible with this camera would have the same backhand dimension. So the backhand should be able to lock on to your camera. So whether it's a Sigma, this particular one is a Sigma, whether it's a Sigma, Sony, Tamron, whatever, if it's designed to be used with your particular camera, its back end, the end that goes onto your camera, should have the same radius to be able to fit on your camera. So this particular one is a Sigma. Now, yeah, see it? Okay, so that means technically their covers, which are these ones, should be virtually the same in terms of radius. It's not necessarily, but in terms of locking, the locking mechanism within it should match. I was playing around and I did this. You seen it? Let me do it again. I was just playing around with them. I did this and it locked. And of course, it made sense that it should lock. All right. But why this is not that important, but who knows? You can use it for other things. Like if you want to store, if you're traveling, let me see. Okay, here I have some coins. So yeah, I have a couple of coins. Oh man. I hope you guys understand where I'm going with this, right? Good, because I don't want to take too long on this video. So I have some coins, all right, a couple of CDs, and I really don't know where to put them. You just put them in here and lock it, and it's safe. Not bad, right? It ain't going nowhere. So you can put other stuff in it. Maybe this one's dirty, man. Sorry. All right, clean it up a little bit. So you can put other stuff in there. Maybe a safety pin. Maybe you have extra SIM card for your phone. Maybe you travel a lot. You're one of those guys that have 2 or 3 phones, like 6 SIM cards. You're like, you know, you do what you gotta do, right? And you don't know where to put all those little items. You can put them in here and just lock it. Or maybe what else do I have here? Maybe memory cards. Memory cards too are good. Let me give you an example again. Throw them in here and just lock it, and you're good to go. You're good to go. It's nice and safe. So that's it for this video. That's it for the video. So the point is, you can use this as a storage device. That's just a little information from me to you. All right, I think it's cute. Maybe you know about this, maybe you don't, but if you think this information is useful, like this video, share, comments. Yeah. You know the drill. But it is what it is. Thanks, man, and thanks for watching the video. Have a good one, all right? Peace.